Are you planning to sell your home but overlooking the condition of your roof? Neglecting a damaged roof can lead to unexpected insurance hurdles, potentially derailing your sale. Let me share a real life story that highlights the importance of addressing roof issues before listing your property. Meet John and Lisa, eager to sell their family home. They received an attractive offer, but during the buyer's insurance evaluation, the roof's poor condition raised red flags. The insurance company required a complete roof replacement before finalizing coverage, putting the entire sale at risk. This situation isn't uncommon. Many insurance companies mandate roof replacements for older or damaged roof to minimize their risk. Ignoring this can lead to policy cancellations or increased premiums, as some insurers require roofs of a certain age to be replaced. For John and Lisa, the unexpected roof replacement meant significant out of pocket expenses and delayed moving plans. Had they proactively addressed the roof's condition, they could have avoided this setback. Replacing your roof before selling not only streamlines the sales process, but also enhances your home's value and appeal. A new roof can make your property more attractive to potential buyers, providing them a peace of mind. Don't let a neglected roof jeopardize your home sale. Don't let a neglected roof jeopardize your home sale. If you're considering selling, have your roof inspected and take necessary actions. For personalized advice and a free consultation, DM me roof for today. Let's ensure your selling journey is smooth and successful. Until next time, ciao.